Let's blow up the quads. Being a very scalable exercise, choose a stance that caters to both your strength and knee health. Keeping in mind the narrower the split stance, the more knee flexion you will produce. For a beginner or anyone trying to avoid too much tension around the knee joint, I'd encourage about a 90-degree angle in both knees. For someone more advanced or looking to target more of an end range of motion, consider a narrower stance, or as a progression, you can try incorporating a heel wedge and a slightly elevated back foot to allow for greater depth. The feet should be no closer than hip width. Grip the floor with the foot and prop open the arch. Maintain an upright torso. Think about driving up through the floor as evenly as possible with both feet and descend straight down. Be mindful of compensations such as hinging on the ascent, shifting the body forward and backward, or pronating the ankle and/or allowing the knee to cave.